Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Real Estate Q&A with Elaine. And today I'm with Sir Razel, one of the assistant sales manager here at Mega World at the Fort.
Hi guys!
So Sir Razel, I have here three questions and you're gonna choose lang po. One, two, or three.
Siguro 2.
So the question is, when is the best time to invest in a condo?
Hmm. For me, the best time to invest in a condo, um, pre-selling stage talaga. There's a lot of reasons kung bakit best mag-invest in a condo during pre-selling stage, but I'm gonna give you some. So number one, it's still in the introductory price, meaning it it's the lowest price in any point of time. So if you have planned to resell the property in the future, that's gonna be a good strategy. Number two, makakapili ka ng best unit. Unlike kasi pag mga ready for occupancy na usually konti na lang yung natitirang unit dyan. So during pre-selling stage, makakapili ka pa ng may view, yung preferred mo na floor, and yun nga, of course, 'pag pre-selling, customizable yung ano, yung unit. So, pwede mo siyang ipa-interior design according to your own preference. So, yun, best time talaga to invest in a condo during pre-selling stage.
So Sir Razel, thank you for your insight and don't forget to follow for more real estate Q&A. Bye!
Alright.